How to add tip to Walmart grocery orders. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to add tip to Walmart grocery orders. In order to add tip to Walmart grocery orders, first of all make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, open up a browser of your choice and log in into your Walmart account. So once you're logged in, click on the account icon from the top right side and go to purchase history. Once you tap on the purchase history, here you'll be able to see all of the purchase that you've done. In order to tip the grocery order, select the particular order where you actually want to tip. So once you've done that, next page is gonna show you add a tip button right in the corner or right at the bottom. So simply go ahead and tap on it and enter the tip and just do the procedure. Once you've done that, click on the submit button. You'll also be notified with a statement successful or failed, so you can just try again if you have failed to do it so. And through an email, you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully added tip to Walmart grocery orders. In this way, you can add tip to Walmart grocery orders. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.